8 months ago, when I became a mother, at the same time I started learning English language. Today I am learning this language not only for myself but also for my baby girl. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is me Akanksha. And today in this video I am going to share with you something very special. My English learning journey with my 8-month-old baby. Okay, so you know what, I am not from an English background. I came from a very small place where most of the people speak Hindi and Bhojpuri. Because of that, I felt shy, nervous when I speak English. You know, but there is one more thing. I want my daughter to grow up an environment where English is normal and comfortable. So I thought, if I want my daughter to learn this language, so at first I have to learn it myself. Okay, so just because of that I started learning this language. And you know what, guys, at the beginning it was very difficult for me. Actually, it is not easy for me. I had so many problems, like I didn't have enough vocabulary. I feel scared while speaking, I feel shy. Sometimes I don't know how to make sentences and all that, but I decided I will not give up. Okay, and then I continue, and I started everyday small practice. Like I started describing my daily routine, like when I woke up in the morning, then I try to repeat some sentences. Like whenever I'm doing work in the kitchen, that time I say something in English, like I'm making tea, I'm chopping vegetable, I'm feeding my baby, I'm playing with her. So this kind of sentences usually I try to speak. you know Even when I talk to my baby, I try to use simple English with her, like hello baby, how are you, are you hungry, let's play together, like this. I know my baby doesn't understand everything right now, but the main thing is that she is listening. And this is how children learn English, by listening again and again. Okay, so yeah. And another thing I do is, I try to learn 4 to 5 new words in a day, and then I try to use those words in a sentence. I know it's not easy, and I make lots of mistakes, but I believe that mistakes are part of uh, learning. So that's why, uh, no matter how, I continue. And then I also started recording my video on YouTube channel, and no doubt it helps me my practiced speaking as well as build my confidence. So you can see my confidence, I'm speaking in front of the camera. Okay, and the next thing is that, whenever I'm uploading my video on YouTube channel, that time I watched my own video, and then I noticed my mistake, and then after that I try to improve. Okay, my English is not perfect, but still I'm learning, because I believe that small daily practice can create a big change. That's why I have decided I will not stop anymore. Okay, so if you are also learning this language, and you are feel scared, shy, so I want you to tell something. Okay, don't feel shy. Start with small step. Start with simple sentence. Practice every day. Okay, and one most important thing, don't be afraid of mistakes, because mistakes are part of our learning, and that day will come soon. We will speak English confidently and effortlessly. Okay, today I am learning this language not only for myself but also for my daughter, because I want her to speak English fluently. So that's why I'm learning on this stage. Okay, so I hope guys you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.